when you're going on trips, space can be an issue. With any van conversion, you may run into the fact that, hey, you just have so much gear that you can't fit it in your van comfortably. So here is the cargo rack. So this is a cargo rack that literally attaches into the tow hitch at the back of the van. What we've got this cargo rack on right now is a swing hitch. So what it does is it actually swings away the gear or whatever you have on here so that you can open up the back of your van without having any issues. These things will hold a lot of weight. People will put generators, there's certain cargo racks that'll also hold bikes and kayaks. So if you have things that you don't want to store on the inside or you're needing more space in your van, cargo rack is a really great way to go. A really great use for the cargo rack carrier is to use it for generators. So it kind of gets it a little bit away from the van. It allows you, when the generator's stored on here, to open up the doors. What we do is we actually install a strap that straps this over, holds the generator down to the rack, and we recommend using a bike lock or a chain that you strap to the generator, and then you lock it to the actual hitch on the chassis of the van. The generators are pretty quiet, but whenever you have the cargo tray, you can swing it away so you don't have to worry about fumes when you're sleeping, and you don't really have to worry about sound.